Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I personally search for mutual funds using Google Finance and how I explore different fund options quickly. When I open up Google Finance, I head over to the search bar on the main screen where I can filter different asset types. Instead of looking at stocks or ETFs, I switch the category to mutual funds so I can narrow down the results and focus only on fund-based investments. Once I've selected that option, I can either browse through suggested mutual funds or search for a specific one that I have in mind. For example, if I'm interested in something like the RBC Emerging Markets Equity Fund, I can type it into the search bar and instantly pull up its details. Additionally, using this feature helps me stay organized and informed when analyzing various investment options. I can quickly switch between funds, review their summaries, and get a better sense of how they fit into my overall strategy. So yeah, that's how I search for mutual funds on Google Finance. It's very simple, very straightforward, and a great tool for exploring different investment opportunities. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.